Hello friends, it's Reza. Thank you for coming to channel Reza Blade. Today you're joining me for my tutorial as part of our Geek Girl Collab. My friend Kristen and I she is of channel Nerdy Creations. Go give her channel a peruse and see her beautiful talent. It would be great if you'd give her a subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I do have a giveaway at 555 subscribers. It is an awesome giveaway. The link to the channel, the link to the video where I outline the gifts in the giveaway is going to be in the description box until the giveaway is held. So give that a check out too. It is a pretty awesome giveaway if I do say so myself. I'm pretty excited about it. Before I ramble on too much more, let's go ahead and do the collab, the tutorial. I am here. Let me show you our channel. You can tell I haven't slept in a while. Okay, our topic for this particular day is Saturday morning cartoons, and I chose Winnie the Pooh. The series, of course, not the movie. And I hope you like the nails. Of course, these are decals, and this is not a decal. These are stamps. So let's get on to the ombre, which is the base of what we will be applying the decals to. First, I use this kind of sponge. You can use a makeup sponge if you prefer. I have found that I use a lot less polish with this kind of sponge. I got this one on beautometry.com, but they are available all sorts of different places. And so for the darkest color of the blue sky, I have Endless Blue from Sinful Colors. And the medium blue, I have a Crayola collection, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. This one is Cerulean. And here we go for the lightest blue. I have Blue Away, and that is another Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. Now I apply the green a little bit, the bottom color in the ombre, but it's not officially part of the ombre, a little differently in this particular mani, because I wanted it to be like a ground, and like grass, sort of like grass. Anyway, so first things first, darkest color on the top, medium color in the middle, lightest color at the bottom. And that one looks like it's a bit thinner in formula than the others, so this is the first layer. I'm going to do one nail on camera and then the rest off camera, so that I don't waste too much of your time doing things I already showed you how to do. So, next layer. Now because these are thin, they do dry very, very quickly. And I'm actually pretty happy with this level of saturation. Oops, no, never mind. There is a stage at which it's just tacky enough. The polish that you just applied with the sponge is just tacky enough that it will stick back to the sponge if you do another dab. So after the first few dabs, you do want to let it be, because otherwise you'll do what I just did, which is remove some color. Don't over dab. Alright, so I do like that level of saturation. It's just a little bit, there we go, on the top. So I'm going to put this aside for the moment, and I apply the green at the very bottom, kind of like if I imagined there were a hill there. Or maybe not. This looks like a plane to me. Let me get a little closer so you can see what I have done here. All right. So this green is part of, ooh, that's very close. The Defy and Inspire line at Target. It is no longer available, so I don't want to show you too much so that you'll get your hopes up. Because it is a pretty cool green. Now I just removed my sticky base coat, and instead I want my sesh feet. So I'm zoomed in a little bit too close here for my preference, but I do want you to see what I've done here. All right, so there's that one, and I will come back when I have done the rest, and I will see you soon. All right, friends, I am back. As you can see, I have the ombre done with grass on all three nails, all three sample nails. So next, I'm going to do 2 decals for you. I don't know if I will do both of them on camera, but so first we've got Miss Piglet. All right, pretty good decal, pretty good pickup. So I'm using a plate from AliExpress that I got. OS01 is the number of this plate. So let me grab some remover and we will get Tigger picked up. All right. Oh my. Well, that is a big fail. Failure to scrape. So let me get rid of that. Good thing I've still got some remover on here. And let's see if I can do this correctly. All right, that looks a little better. And there is Tigger. T-I-double-G-er, as he says. All right, so the first thing I do after cleaning up, because I am thorough and prompt. All right, so the first thing I do is, now some of you have already seen my video on this, but instead of doing a coat of Wet n Wild with the float method, I put just a bit of product on there, and then I dab so that I cover all of the decal. Now this protects it from smearing when I am ready to actually swipe the brush over it. So, and that will take a minute to dry. And I don't know if you can see that. And I will be back. I think I will do one off camera and I will do one on camera. and that should be in responsible use of your time. Hello again. So it's a good thing these are demo nails, because it looks like I smeared Piglet's face off. So that's no good. But here I can still show you. I mean, I don't know that I'm showing you anything really interesting by painting these in for you, but it's good to see people's process. And I do, for example, I don't dip out any of the polish. I take from the brush so that it doesn't dry on my palette. It's a personal choice. So I've got a light pink and a medium pink and a yellow for the flower on Piglet. On Tigger so far, I've got the white for his face and belly and a pink nose. And let's get his orange in here. And then once we get his colors in, you'll please excuse me, my tremor is acting up this afternoon. Luckily, when I was doing the nails, everything was fine. I don't know if I can color in the lines right now. And that is essential for decals. So, after we get his color applied, we are putting a coat of white down so that it shows up against the color of the background. Alright. And then we can check our work. So I've got some holes in him. Alright, so I smeared him a little bit, but not as bad as Piglet. But it is really hot in here, and that may have something to do with the smearing. So now what I do is I apply the white. And you don't have to be really ambitious with the white, just get it down. A lot of times when I mess up a decal, it's not the actual coloring in that I screw up, it's the application of the white. Because that is really hard to mask if you get that wrong. Alright. I may have gotten him wrong on the foot. I am hurrying quite a bit. So, one more dab, I think will do it. All right. Get another look at my Manny. So, I can. All right. So now one of the keys is you wait for the white to dry before you do your Wet n Wild Clear Coat Protector final layer, because otherwise you will smear the white and it will be a disaster. So I will be back after I've got those all dry. Alright friends, so this is the moment of truth. I have applied my sticky base coat, which will stick the decal to the nail. You can get this at Dollar Tree. It is only $1. It is designed to be a base coat and top coat duo type thing, and it is sticky as heck. So now keep in mind that these won't be perfect because I did rush through them. I am very conscious that the last video was like 18 minutes as far as the Star Wars one went. All right, well, those don't look half bad. I'm pretty happy with that. So you'll notice that I have a little bit of a tag right here. So I use embroidery scissors. You can use cuticle scissors if you have some, and that comes right off. So once the decals are applied, I apply Sèche Vite, and that will harden everything right up. So let's get a top coat on there, and we can finish up. This tutorial is essentially just the decal part of this mani as well as the ombre gradient type thing. So we have completed demo nails. If you are interested in getting little stands for your nail art practice, these are 3M. I don't actually know the name of them. I'll put them down in the description field a little later on. But these are 3M wall type things, and they just don't have the thing on the back. And you can tell these have been much loved. So that is my mani. Woohoo! That is very zoomed. That is my mani. I hope you have enjoyed it. And please don't forget to check out my friend Kristen's Miss Nerdy Creations channel and give her a look. And I will see you guys soon. Yes, I will see you guys soon. I'm going to bed, guys. I'll see you later.